we're going to see a langgraph agent, one of the agent implementations. I will link this page, so just to open this page, it has like, yeah, these are all the agents that are implemented here. You can just refer to it. I'll link it in the YouTube video. Now, this agent is particularly for essay grading using langgraph. It's an automated system which can grade a human written essay on different parameters. The parameters we are considering are like, first is a content relevance, second is a grammar check. Content relevance is the content, how relevant is it to the topic that's given, the essays. So this is content relevance, and doing a basic grammar check of the essay. And this is a structure analysis, how the essay has been written, how it started, and the flow of ideas in the essay. And this is the depth of analysis, gauges the level of critical thinking and the insights presented in the essay by whoever is written it. So yeah, and the flow we are going to follow is this. We'll get the essay, we'll load it, we'll read it and parse it. Basically reading it is parsing the content. And first we're going to check is content relevance. Now if you observe, we are not doing all of it individually, right? We're doing it a flow. First we are checking whether it's a content relevance or not. If it's not relevant, there is no point even going to the grammar check and all the details. So we're just going to give a very low score and exit at the end. If it is a decent score, the relevance is high, from a certain cutoff, we are going to do a grammar check, and then we are going to do a structural check and a depth check. Now, if it's a decent essay, you will get scores on all these topics as a report at the end of it in a JSON format. So let's see the code. This is loading the OpenAI code. This is defining the state. First we have an essay, all the scores and parameters that we are judging, and there is a final score which is a mean of all of these. So yeah, these are all the nodes which is defined as a Python function. So it's extract score. Basically I think it sums all the extract the numerical sums from the LLM response. Here we are checking the relevance, and these prompts are very important part of the node. So if you read it, analyze the relevance of the following essay on the given topic, give a relevance score from 0 to 1, a response with this format, and provide the explanation for why this score is given. So we are doing the error handling here and then returning the state. Same we are doing for grammar. Analyze the grammar, give a score, follow with score, and then your explanation why it's at score, right? So that's grammar. And then we have a structured by essay, score, the explanation, and the response, right? The same format. Whereas here we're checking the depth of the analysis of whoever is written it, their understanding of it. So that's the node as well. And the final score basically is accumulates all the score. And so relevance is given like 0.3 priority, 0.2, 0.2, and then 0.3 is out of like 1. These are the like different priority of scores. So depth and relevance have high 0.3, and the grammar structure have 0.2, 0.2. Total comes out to be 1. Now yeah, here we are defining the workflow. So if you see this workflow, this is basically this workflow, right? So this is an edge, this is a conditional edge. If not, there's a next edge. So if you see here, these are all the nodes, and then these are the conditional edges where we are checking if the relevance score is a certain cutoff score. If not, we are moving forward. Now Yeah, this is basically the whole workflow, and then we are compiling the node. Workflow is basically a lang graph, and then we are maintaining it. So in this implementation, we are not maintaining the state, just a work lang graph, but yeah, it is a state graph. We are maintaining the state. Sorry. So it's a lang graph, state graph, which maintains a state, and the state is shared between all the nodes. So it has a history of all the nodes. Yeah, this is basically it, and here we are testing it. This is an essay. Artificial intelligence in modern society becomes integral part of our daily life. The structure, the different paragraphs it has, the grammatical uh, relevance of each of the point, and all of this, right? So here is the final score that prints out all the final score, and we got it. So this is pretty much the example.